course, this guy parks right behind me. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm over here in sunny Florida. It's a really nice day out today. I'm going to talk about my rims that I have because everyone always asks, oh, what rims are those? Where did you get them? What are the specs? Today this video is for you guys. Basically the rims that I have, they're called Ultimate Performance rims, UP. The fronts are 19 by 8.5 and the rears are 19 by 9.5. The front offset is 35 and the rear is 40. So I'll show you guys some clips on how it looks like to get a good idea. But I honestly like them. I've driven across the country with them. No cracks, no bends, no nothing. They are cast wheels. They're not really that, you know, expensive or anything like that. I got them secondhand. I got them from some guy locally. He bought them brand new, then he just never ended up putting them on his car. So that's kind of what's going on here. But overall, I love them. They're really, really good. I'll show you guys again some clips of what they look like and everything. But yep. And the tires that I'm running, the fronts are 235, 35/19, and the rears are 275, 30/19. I am lowered on H&R springs. It only rubs in the rear when I have passengers back there. The fronts, I can do a full lock left and right and it doesn't rub anything. It's really, really good. Again, overall, very impressed. Like them a lot. Definitely recommend them. I will also say these did come with like UP. They were kind of ugly, like UP center caps. I just got the original factory BMW center caps and they fit right in there perfectly. So they do kind of look factory. A lot of people ask me if these are factory rims, and I honestly love that question. Mainly because I just like factory rims. And these kind of look factory, but they could also be aftermarket. People kind of have, you know, no idea. That's why they always ask, hey, are those aftermarket or factory? But yeah, I really love the look. And don't judge the curb rash. That's mostly from my ex-girlfriend. Right behind me. There you go. You got some common sense.